Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively manage data on your PC. To begin, always organize your files into logical folders. This simple step makes finding documents much easier and saves you valuable time. Also, regularly backing up your important data is crucial to prevent any loss. Consider using cloud storage for enhanced accessibility and redundancy, and remember to delete unnecessary files to free up disk space. Next, let's optimize your local storage. Establish a clear folder structure for different content types, like documents, photos, and videos. Always use descriptive file names. This helps you quickly identify content without opening files. Make it a habit to regularly empty your recycle bin to permanently remove unwanted items. For significantly faster performance, consider upgrading to a solid-state drive, which can boost your PC's speed by up to 10 times. Now let's talk about cloud storage and backup. Choose a reliable cloud service that offers automatic synchronization for seamless data access across devices. For critical information, implement the 3-2-1 backup rule. 3 copies of your data on 2 different media with 1 copy offsite. Always encrypt sensitive files before uploading them to the cloud. Finally, regularly verify your backups to ensure they are accessible and intact. Finally, let's cover data security and maintenance. Always use strong, unique passwords for all your accounts to protect against unauthorized access. Install reputable antivirus software and ensure it is always kept up to date. Make it a routine to regularly scan your system for any potential malware or viruses. When disposing of or reusing old drives, securely wipe them to prevent any data recovery, ensuring your personal information remains private.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.